What's up, everybody? Welcome back again to another install. This one we're gonna be doing the CRV, the gas versions that come with the chrome trim on the front. Yeah, I'm gonna be replacing this with the black. So I'm gonna be taking, it's 3 different pieces. This one is connected to the headlight. This piece is on the grill itself. There's a screw down in here somewhere that holds this to the headlight itself. I know people do the overlay thing, but I don't like the overlay. So I got the original pieces. Also, I'm gonna put the cover over this so it changes it to black. Alright, so now the bumper is down. Next thing I'm gonna do, gotta remove these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then pry this out some way somehow. On the headlights, you got that little screw right there, and I think you just pull it right off. So this is how it comes in the box. And this is it. Alright, let's go ahead and put this on. So when you put it back on, you go like this. You have to actually slide it because there's a hook. There's a hook right here. And I think this slides into here, and that hook slides into this little piece right over here. And it snaps in, and then you just retighten the screw. That's it. It's that easy. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side. Slide it in, and then put the screw in. Alright guys, so the way this is clipped into that piece right here, there's an edge that this clips over, and you have to get some pry tool to pry that edge down and lift this out at the same time. And so you have 1, 2, 3 times that you have to pry out. So all I did was use my pry tool. So now that this is off, let's get the black piece on. So this is the black piece. So all this is gonna do, just slide back onto here. That's all there is to it. Just make sure the 3 tabs click back into place. This is the finished product, everybody. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the wheel caps. Show you those. Okay, so these are the wheel covers. Go ahead and box it. Pretty these are. It's like quality. Just need to be cleaned up. So how it works, this just snaps on the wheel, and on the instructions it says, in order to remove this from the wheel itself, you have to remove the wheel. I guess if you try to just pry this out by itself, you might damage the whatever is used to hold it onto the wheel. So do not rip this out by itself, because you might damage this thing. I picked these up on eBay. Lucky for me, the seller is located in my state, and they were like 30 minutes away. So if you're in Illinois and you live around the Elk Grove Village area, you're looking for a set of these, the seller is over there. I will put their link in my in the video description, so you can actually purchase it and go pick it up if you want to, instead of waiting for them to ship it to you. That's what I ended up doing. It was like a 30-minute drive for me, so worked out. The seller even gave me a discount when I purchased these. I spoke to him over the phone, so again, if you're in the Illinois area, you might want to try that. I also picked up the center caps from Honda to match this one. A lot of people get this but put the silver cap. I'm not doing that. I got the black ones, so I'm gonna put those in and then throw these on the car instead. Perfect fit. So before you put this on, you need to remove this one. So you need a flat head screwdriver and pry it out. I'm gonna use this tiny flat point screwdriver, try to pry it out. Super easy. Don't use a big screwdriver. It will be very hard to get it in between the cap and the wheel. And this will only fit one way. So you look where the valve is and you line it up the same way. The valve is down there, hole is right here. And that's it. And you do the same thing for the rest of the wheels. guys.